Moments with Dr. Greta are brought to you by the Ashley Clinic in Chanute, Kansas. Bacterium, fungi, and virus. Oh my! What are we talking about? Your microbiome, your intestinal tract, and all of the gazillion organisms that are in there that should make everything go right. But sometimes it doesn't, and we've got some information for you to start with your little kids to maybe help. When they are really little, you need to start giving them a variety of good foods. And in addition to their proteins and their carbohydrates and their fats, we want to be sure that you are giving them some probiotics and prebiotics. Now, probiotics are the things that will help the digestion, and we think of those foods are like yogurt, sour cream, pickles, dark chocolate, aged cheese, and there's a whole bunch more, but they have the good bacteria, lactobacillus, bifidobacterium, and a bunch of other stuff, and your system needs those. But a lot of times those things say, feed me, if you aren't given the right foods, which are called prebiotics. Now, prebiotics feed the probiotics, and one of the things that the prebiotics have that really helps the probiotics are fiber. So that's things like asparagus, garlic, bananas, artichoke, bread, soybeans, onions, and a whole bunch more. Well, what does this have to do with your little kid? Well, oftentimes it's real easy to just give the processed foods to the little kid. And then we're talking about the 1 to 2 and 3-year-old, and then they get used to those processed foods, and then they throw a fit if they can't have that. So you almost have to don't give them any processed foods in the first place, and when they're really little, introduce just a little bit of all of these things. They need a good balance of the protein, carbohydrate, but especially the probiotic and the prebiotic, and if you can do it with a food, you're sure better off than giving any of those supplements. So keep it safe and give that kid a hug. I'm Dr. Greta.